Watch this video to learn how to use the interactive process stepper in Adonis. Click on More to open the extended menu. Navigate to Simulate Process and then select Process Stepper. Click on Play to start the stepper, or opt for manual interaction by clicking the forward button. Watch the stepper automatically go through all tasks until it reaches a decision or end point. Choose which path you would like the stepper to continue on. Continue to do so until you have finished the process path you want to analyze. When encountering a subprocess, you can choose whether to deep dive into it or to treat it as a black box instead. When the stepper has finished, you can export your analysis into Excel or choose to do it later. For now, let's just skip this part and see the results in Adonis. You can see which path was taken, as well as which costs and times occurred for the execution of this process path, in order to reach the chosen end state. Clicking on Export will generate an Excel file with these details. Have a look at the Adonis Online help for more information.